Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or any telephoto application, it's the photographer's goal to be as close to the subject as possible. But sometimes the shooting environment or the focal length of our telephoto glass limits the ability to fill the frame. Now, sure, we could plop down money for a longer telephoto lens, but it's also worth considering an easy and affordable solution: the teleconverter. Teleconverters offer the simple, straightforward promise of making your lens longer. With a simple twist and click, the teleconverter fits right between your camera body and the lens. You're essentially magnifying the image and increasing your focal length, drawing your subjects in closer. All of this without breaking your bank or breaking your back carrying around a big old super telephoto lens. 1.4x offers 40% more focal length, and 2x doubles the length of your glass. Consider a prime lens like the Canon 200mm f2.8. With a 1.4x teleconverter, the lens effectively becomes 280mm. With a 2x teleconverter, it transforms into an incredibly lightweight 400mm lens. Okay, some things to consider. In exchange for the extra focal length, you're giving up some light. With a 1.4x teleconverter, you'll lose approximately 1 stop, while with a 2x teleconverter, you lose around 2 stops of light. For example, a Canon 70-200 f2.8 with a 1.4x teleconverter will become about a 100 to 280mm f4. With a 2x teleconverter, the lens becomes a 140 to 400mm f5.6. To compensate for the loss of light, you'll need to shoot at a slower exposure, raise your ISO, or a combination of both. Autofocus performance might also be affected. Many cameras cannot engage AF at apertures smaller than 5.6. On higher-end camera bodies, this is less of an issue, but no matter what your camera, autofocus will be slower with a teleconverter because the sensor is receiving less light. It's important to note that teleconverters don't work on just any lens. You'll get the best results from fast aperture prime and zoom lenses. Make sure to check the specs of your lens or contact B&H for compatibility. Simple, effective, and easy to use, teleconverters are a great way to bring you closer to your subjects without incurring the cost and weight of additional telephoto lenses. So, are you thinking about teleconverters for your next outing? Let us know in the comments below. I'm photographer David Flores. Thanks for watching.